Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So, Google is known to be working on its first foldable smartphone. The introduction of the new device should be forthcoming in the foreseeable future, because dealer data now shows that Google wants to start selling the Google Pixel Fold as early as June. Google hasn't made any official announcements yet, but the Google I/O Developer Conference on May 10th is likely to be less of a launch event and more of a launch event for various products. In addition to new AI services, Google would then probably also want to present its latest smartphones. According to our information, the devices could end up in stores as early as the beginning of June. Pixel Fold available in June in 2 colors with 256GB memory. As we have now learned, the Google Pixel Fold, which is the actual name of Google's first smartphone with a foldable display, will probably go on sale in Europe as early as the second week of June. In any case, dealer databases spit out this information for the device. Although they have only mentioned one storage variant so far, the Google Pixel Fold will initially only be available with 256GB of internal flash memory. The smartphone will not be particularly cheap either, since prices are said to be around €1,700. However, the price is by no means reliable. Google also wants to offer its first folding smartphone in 2 color variants, which are called Carbon and Porcelain. It should be a dark gray or black and some kind of white or beige. Furthermore, at least 3 colored covers for the smartphone with a foldable display can be expected. Pixel 7a also from June, 3 or 4 colors. There are also initial details on the memory and the colors for the new mid-range smartphone Google Pixel 7a, which is also expected soon. So far, this model has only been listed in Europe in the version with 128GB of internal flash memory that has already been seen in Vietnam. This should be available in the colors Arctic Blue, Carbon, and Cotton, i.e. in blue, black or gray and white. In this case, a version in Jade is also listed for the Pixel 7a and the corresponding covers, although it is unclear whether the smartphone itself will also be available in this color. For the 7a, the dealers speak of prices around the €500 mark. The Google Pixel 7a is also said to be available from the second week of June, although the time frame, like all the other information provided, has yet to be confirmed by the manufacturer. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.